Let us compare the data storage capacity of NFC tags versus QR codes. Let's test it live. We have 4 tags here: NTAG 213, NTAG 215, NTAG 216, and the powerful Desfire EV1 8K. Let's start with NTAG 213. It can store about 20 to 25 words. That's perfect for a short message or a website link. Next, NTAG 215. This one fits around 500 characters. That's like one long WhatsApp message or a quick instruction note. Now, NTAG 216. It holds almost 900 bytes, enough for half an A4 page. Great for digital bios or small blog posts. And finally, Desfire EV1 8K, the heavyweight. You can store up to 1,300 words. That's full stories, contact cards, even translations. It's like a mini pen drive.
Now let us compare the QR code scanning. Let us first see the size of QR code. Here we have NTAG 213, NTAG 215, and NTAG 216. This is the data that we had written in each of the 3 tags. This was about 148 characters. It was actually lesser than that to fit in the 144 bytes NTAG 213 chip, about 450 characters in NTAG 215 chip, and about 760 characters in NTAG 216 chip. Now let us scan these one by one and see the relative scanning ease. This got read instantly, and this is the text it is showing. Let us try the NTAG 215 data and then NTAG 216 data. Now let us see the difference in the QR code density in each of these. This is the most sparse and this is the most dense. With such high data QR code, when we try to fit it in small area, it will get so dense that the phone will find it very difficult to read. So this is a pretty large QR code. Now let us scan it, and it got read. Right? Once more, NTAG 213, NTAG 215, NTAG 216.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more NFC hacks.